Mike, Innovative Door. We got to this job about a week or so ago, and it's a 9x9 that some companies came out and they hacked it in. And we came out and weighed these doors. I had the wrong springs in. Check this out now. By hand. Okay, my hand's off the door. Stops halfway. Stops there. And it comes down real nice and awesome. And we put 2 springs up there, okay? So we weighed the door, put 2 springs, which should be on a 9x9. Now, this one here, it's disconnected. Now watch this. I got a roll of paper towels down there because this thing's just gonna come down like a tank. Watch. Bam! 1 spring on. It's like a 36-inch. It's not even close. And then the company hacked in the opener, and we had to fix that with some angles so it wouldn't pull off the ceiling. So if you want your doors weighed properly and balanced properly, this one rolls up like beauteous. If you want your doors weighed and done precisely, call Innovative 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. We are the spring experts since '88. Thanks for watching our awesome spring job video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. And kudos to my guys who came out here and weighed this thing and got it dialed in perfect. You guys are awesome. Thanks, man.